Tracking your most accurate forecast, I'm meteorologist Jorge Torres. We continue with this weather action coverage through tomorrow because of the potential for these storms that have developed throughout the past couple of days to still produce hail, high winds, lightning, and obviously the concern, flash flooding. In fact, we do have a flash flood watch for much of Arizona, including the valley, until 5 o'clock Friday. We're talking about rainfall amounts on top of what we've already received, anywhere from 1 inch to 1.5 inches in the valley, an additional 1 to 2 inches up in the higher terrain. And we also have the concern for the rest of this Thursday for some strong storms. Areas in the darker shade of green, including Phoenix and out toward the Colorado River Valley, are under what is known as a marginal risk for severe storms to develop. The concern will be storms producing quarter-size hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and a few isolated funnel clouds cannot be ruled out as well. And we still have the concern for flooding in parts of the Tonto Basin, where we do have flood warnings all the way until 10 o'clock in the morning. This includes areas right around the Barks Crossing and just north of Roosevelt Lake. So as always, remember, turn around, don't drown. As far as the timing of these storms, we expect it to continue through at least tomorrow, primarily in the morning. Then we'll start to dry out here in the valley. But as I mentioned, an additional 1 to 1.5 inches possible. Snow levels will begin to drop to about 7,000 feet. This includes areas near Flagstaff through at least Saturday. And then with the storm to do develop, obviously some strong winds cannot be ruled out, with gusts up to 25 miles per hour and a little stronger where the storm to do develop. A look at futurecast all the way through tomorrow, showing you that chance for storms tonight. It will continue during the overnight hours, even at 10 o'clock, seeing some heavy rain right along essentially the 10 heading west of Phoenix, moving to the north and northeast. And you see that transition into snow as you head to the elevation levels at and below and above, I should say, 7,000 feet, including areas around Flagstaff. So tonight, overnight lows will dip down to right around freezing there in Flag, everyone else in the 40s and 50s. Highs tomorrow will still be in that cool category. 40s up north, a few spots in the 50s, 60s here in the valley, along with Gila Bend, warming up to 70 in Yuma. Across the East Valley tonight, expect overnight lows in the 50s, with highs staying in the mid-60s tomorrow, well below that average of 76 thanks to the rain cooled air we've had over the past couple of days. In the West Valley tonight, same story. Lows right around 53 to 54, with highs staying in the mid-60s, roughly 10 degrees below that average. Now, we have one more day of weather action here in the valley, and then we finally dry out by the weekend, with temperatures climbing into the 70s Saturday and Sunday into Monday before our next storm system arrives starting next week. On Tuesday, we reintroduce a slight chance for showers at 20%, with a better chance Wednesday and Thursday.